Good morning, Dynasty traders. Today is the 2nd of April, 2025. All right, let's get into it. Perfect. Okay, so where are we at today? All right, so right here we have a break in market structure. Bearish price action. Made a fair value gap right on yesterday's first presented fair value gap. And down. So market's about to open. 24 seconds. Let's see what type of action we're gonna get. Let's see. Whoop, Okay, so targets for today is this 1 hour fair value gap over here that hasn't been filled, and these lows, these relative equal lows over here. All right, and that's on the 1 minute. So let's say market open now. Take a look at price action. I'm gonna be aiming for like a short off of this zone, possibly this one, depending on how price action is gonna move. Okay. Let me check it out on the 15-minute. Quick. Okay, 15-minute. I'm going to use this last one over here. This last fair value gap to shade this even more over here and create it in a different color, black. Perfect. Okay, so now we are bouncing off the consequent encroachment of yesterday's. Is it yesterday's? No, before yesterday's 1 hour fair value gap. Over here, bodies were closing above, within but not below. Then use this as support. Leapt off of there right into this 1 hour SIBI. Okay. Just gonna go back on the 1 hour quick and see what I could use as a possible inversion fair value gap. Probably this one. Oops. This one right here. Oops, 1 hour. Okay, let's go down. Down again. Let's see. So the midpoint of that inversion fair value gap would be the beginning of the last 1 hour SIBI. So that's the zone we're going to be looking for. It's a pretty good push. Pretty good push, leaving a lot of unmatched price action below. So let's see. Currently bouncing off of the yesterday's first presented fair value gap. Let's see how it starts reacting over here. All right, just touched it. I'm gonna take a stab at it right here. Short. Day stop loss. Above over here. Come on. You could do it. All right, we're in. That's a big drive. That's a big drive. It's a big drive. Let's see what's going to happen. So we're playing this inversion fair value gap with the last uh, uh, 1 hour BC over here. It's still pushing strong. So yeah, we're going to use this. Interesting. As we said, take profit's going to be right here. That's huge push. That's pretty big. Let's see. right here. TP will be right here. Let's put the first one right here. Okay. That's quite a big push. Let's see how it's going to react to the last line of defense. I don't know, where should I put it? I'm trying to think if the stop loss is at the right place or not. Probably not, but we'll see. Okay, it's getting interesting. It's getting interesting. So we have this 1 hour and the last one over here. See that? Probably gonna be the last line of defense about here. Maybe like just a smidge above. He's like right here. But we shall see. I think I placed it right. Pretty sure I placed it right. Let's see. Okay, so first take profit. I think I'm gonna take some off at yesterday's first presented fair value gap. Maybe. Okay, it's breaking down. Let's see how fast. Let's see how fast it's gonna break down. Not too convinced. Not much to say really this morning, so staying quiet, seeing how it reacts to this last SIBI fair value gap. Yeah, yeah, that's not probably gonna hit my stop loss right here. We'll see how it reacts. Maybe just raise it a bit. Stop loss, take profit, and we'll leave it there. And then adjust from there. All right, it's gonna take me out right here. And now. All right, been taken out. Let's go to show. Trading, executions. That's fine. We shall take that and adjust, I guess. Okay. Let's see what we get. Let's see what happens. Let's take the orders off. Have a better view. The executions, I mean. Okay, so we got this to this. This to this. It's going to be in gray. And then we have that to that. Okay, so it's approaching the 70% retracement on the 1 hour, the fib right here. Over here. So I'm just keeping an eye out for that. And there's a possible fair value gap linked with a 1 hour bigger fair value gap. So I'm just might, not saying, I'm not promising anything, but I might enter short around this region again. Feels like it's losing steam a bit over here. Yeah. See how it reacts over on this fair value gap. My God, where the hell did I put it? All right. I like that price action for a little short. See if we can get back above this. Mm, So close. And we are in. It's going to be a bigger trade though. This will definitely be a bigger trade. So this is going to be a 1-to-1. Right above the first presented fair value gap. All right, let's see. Hmm. Getting a bounce off of this zone, this fair value gap. Let's see. It's usually that when all of these fail, the last line of defense is like the 70% retracement, which was right here, for like market structure. Let's see. Come on. Come on. Okay. Now that's a little bit worrying. Okay. Okay, so today I clearly went against what the market was trying to tell me. You know, I was married to that idea, and that hindered my thought process. So I was married to the short. Never want to be married to ideas because then it's not going to let you the luxury of actually being able to intercept what the market is telling you. And this market is strong, real strong. I think I'm going to add a position right here at market or right here, raise stops. Raise stops. Yeah, this take profit. Let's buy 6K. This one too. 6K right here. We'll see. So if we go off the market structure, which is what I like to go off of, technically it shouldn't pass this. If I'm hitting new low over here, technically, but we shall see. So now the market dragged in the maximum amount possible of longs. Let's see if it's gonna whip their ass or whip mine. We'll see. Oh, it seems like it's loading another leg up. All right. Come on, keep on dipping. Come on. It's a big, big move you made there. Big, big. Let's see. Now it's sitting on an order block. Let's see if we pass the midpoint of this order block. Let's mark it up. Let's mark up this order block. Take off this inversion book. We have this, which could act as support, and this order block, which is it's in right now. It's getting some support. I want to see it break right through. Yeah, like that. Perfect. Let's see. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put probably stops. Can we get something lower? Yeah, that was a big bluff right there. Big bluff. Let's see. Don't close in this. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Okay. Nice immediate rebalance. Let's see if we can continue a bit lower. Let's go. So I'm going to take half off here. Perfect. Half off here. And now I'm going to bring my um, stop loss break even. With a take profit at the first presented fair value gap. I'll raise this just a little bit right here. 70%, which is good. Market structure, continue a little bit lower. At least like right here. Possibly use this as a point to reverse. Should be turning around within this area. I got, so I got that. Got this to use as an inversion. And this could be used as an inversion too. So let's mark these up. Nice. Now we want to see it get heavy right here. Heavy, heavy, heavy to the downside. Come on. Yep. Nice reaction. Real nice. Right here, get to the first presented fair value gap. Yesterday's first presented fair value gap. Today's first presented fair value gap came at 933. All right. Go put stops above right here. Actually, maybe stops about the midpoint of this one. If it makes a new low, then I'll put stops above here. Come on. Continue a little bit lower. A little smidge. All right, we're probably going to get it into this zone. Yeah, it's spending too much time. A little bit lower. 15 seconds. Close back into this and we're happening. All right. Well, on this trade, we neutralized our first loss, and it's a good thing that I took half off over here. So let's go. Let's put the settings on trading like that. You guys can see the executions right here. I took it off at this order block. Okay. I took half off, secured the, actually neutralized the loss that we had this morning, and then played defensive with the last half of the position that was left. It still didn't reach at, like, it broke this structure. I could have let it go, but it would have ate up on, actually, it would have made me lose a little bit more than I would have been at the beginning of the day. So I played it safe on this second position, and let's see from here. I mean, the day's not over. It's only 10:18, but it's over for me because I kind of messed up this morning, not taking the cues over here when it broke above and then changed right here straight through. This could have been an entry point. This could have been an entry point all the way till here, but we'll see. There you go. It was a bit hard this morning to trade, to be honest. A lot of attractive prices to the downside. There was not much to the upside. There was just this last right here. And I guess I went there. The last fair value gap of price action that was left. The market decided to go exactly there before coming back. Like exactly there. Just to show you guys. Let's take this fib off. Let's take this off. And let's zoom into this one. We'll color it differently. Like that you guys could see. So from here to here. Okay. Put it in purple. Because why not?